Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do some chainsawing this morning. We're going to use the 435 Husqvarna this morning. Just got a short bar on it. Won't be chopping anything up more than about 6 inches, so that short bar would be plenty. First thing we're going to do is just give it a quick tidy up as far as the chain goes. Fuel it, lube it, and we'll get stuck into it. So we'll give it a bit of a sharpen first. Put some fuel in. Just top that up. Chain oil. Okay. Clean up. Right, let's get stuck in. Nice little load there of big stuff that we'll put in underneath the shelter to keep it dry for winter, and nice little pile of little stuff there that I use to get the fire going. So yeah, that was about an hour's worth, 45 minutes. About a tank on the old chainsaw. Had a few issues with the chainsaw, kept on throwing a chain. Tends to, because it's got the 435, it's got the manual winder there. When it gets warm after a bit of use, that loosens and the bar moves around a bit, and hence the chain gets loose. You can throw the chain if you're not keeping an eye on it, so had to tighten it up a few times during that one. But it's a good little chainsaw. I've had that one for, must be going on for 10 years, maybe 13 years. The old Husqvarna 435. I've got another chainsaw, a bigger unit. I can't remember the model of that at the moment, but it's a proper big Farm Boss or something like that, I think it is. So yeah, another beautiful day doing some chainsaw, disturbing everyone's Sunday. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. As always, stay safe. Catch you later, guys.